Let's thank them direct para makapag-interview.
For coming and supporting our film. It's a humble film. Dalawa kami, sana supportahan both movies. Yung sa amin is love story and family.
For the Filipino movie.
Maraming salamat po for being here. Sana po supportahan po natin yung this time and sana excited na rin po kayo as much as we are. Thank you!
Yes, hopefully we can answer your questions and thank you for coming. Yeah, thank you.
Ayan, in behalf of Viva po, maraming salamat sa pagpunta kahit medyo late sana yung invitation. So, tayo muna po tayo, mag-photo off lang tayo. Unahin lang natin sila, Miss Mel and Direk.
Hindi na makalakad.
Parang mugshot. Center, left, right. Sama ko na si Direk at saka si Miss Mel, please.
Here guys.